Okay, we got another one coming out. Okay, come on. You know him?
Yeah.
Who is that?
I don't know his name. I just know him by face. Come on.
Hey, Snipes, they're still denying us. Dudley left with his body, so that's 3 minus the 4 that they had. So they got 1 in there, and he still won't. Oh, God bless America. They won't let us in.
They won't let y'all in. They won't let me in.
Ain't that right?
No, you go in there before us, I'm gonna raise hell.
Watch this.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I'm gonna file a complaint, a legitimate
That
complaint.
might well get us a mean bun. Go at home. Boom. Out of there.
Central, SB1, please.
Lieutenant Ness are about to get a complaint. 100%. That is the most unprofessional thing I've ever seen in my life.
Hey.
What do you think? How my legs so bad? I don't know.
So wait a minute.
Oh, don't yell it. Don't start yelling. Hey, come on.
All right, I'm gonna file a complaint.
That's fine. That's fine. Good. How are you? Tell y'all have directives. I have directives. Sheriff says ain't nobody coming in. Only 5 at a time. SO and GSP has priority.
So, SO has priority,
And
even
GSP
though...
and you guys. I mean, this is beyond my control. I don't have anything, so don't yell at me.
All right.
All right. As soon as that last one gets cleared, I'm going to bring in 5.
Hey, yeah, unless another SO unit shows up.
This is not my decision.
Because I'm about to have a stroke.
Guess what? You want to walk? Anyway.
This is a failure of justice.
And the jail does not like us, so we have 5 people sitting here outside waiting. It's wonderful. The sheriff is very pissed with us, okay? And he runs the jail, so.
Them goddamn supervisors can.
I understand. I get that.
So I can get the out the way. All right, so I got a call to go to. I can't go to the call because y'all want to play stupid ass childish game. It ain't because of me, man. I got nothing to do with that. Sarge, I got nothing to do with that in there. It ain't my goddamn call. It's between the sheriff and the guy that works over there. It ain't got nothing to do with me. Move the goddamn car, or I'm gonna move the myself.
Go move it. How you gonna move it? Move it.
Move the goddamn car, man.
Moving the car.
Why?
Part.
Huh?
He's in that part.
You're acting like a bunch of goddamn kids, man.
I'm gonna go get my stuff because this is getting stupid. I'm not gonna be de-armed outside of the jail.
You need to get somebody to get this goddamn car so I can get out. They want to play games because y'all ain't letting them in, so they don't want to let me out. I hope I don't see you get your ass whooped on the street because I'm going to drive the by and you can tell your goddamn supervisor and everybody else I said that shit. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Do it. I'll see you over the car because I got a goddamn car to go to and you don't want to move the goddamn car. Huh? Yeah. Don't stop for me. Don't stop for me.
I don't know, but I'm probably gonna quit. This is so stupid, dude.
Back it up so we don't have to bring his ass. It's over here.
Listen, man, I'm only doing what my supervisor told me. I understand. This is ridiculous, and I hate that I'm dealing with this shit. But you're gonna have to talk to the sergeant over there.
No, I'll be talking to the chief. Hey, chief, I'm sorry. We got a situation over here. We got CPD won't let our guys out. and they're about to go to blows. I'm asking your CPD officer to back up his car, and he's saying that his supervisor told him not to let it.
And again, no one on our side is threatening.
We're having a tit for tat over here. Hold on. Roll down your window. Here you go. Talk to your chief, please. Oh. We gotta stop playing these games. This is retarded.
Yes.
I know most of us are kind of at a standstill. Do I have anybody on Forest Road reference to 7511?
Hey, Sarge, we got it.
We're all standing on the wall at the jail.
Who car this is? Hey, move your car, bro.
Fantastic.
All right, well, I'm getting who your sergeant is.
Hey, he's with the chief.
Okay.
Sarge, he's with the chief. He's with the chief. Sarge.
The gate up,
What's your name?
got there and started rolling up. They shut it right before I got there.
Chief, please. Give him a second. Give him a second. I hear you.
What is in the Sally Port? Yes, sir.
Now go ahead and back it up. Back it up. All right.
Hey, Fairbanks, no. You stay right there, man.
Hey, Sarge. Now your sergeant over here tell him not to move.
His locker.
Chief said he's not moving. We got to get somebody over here. We got to put this. This ain't respectful.
Hey, they got my guy locked in. What I got to do with this shit? Like,
I don't want to fight. Everybody in.
I try to get through, and they immediately halfway open it, shut it on me, and I hear through there's a deputy standing next to me on the radio. That female officer's trying to get into the door. Do not let her in that door. Do not let any officer through that door.
From PD.
From the jailer. The jailers are saying that through their radio. So they won't even let us through the door. There's one person inside there, and now they booked the sheriff guys out, and he's like screaming at us to move our vehicles. They won't even let any of our guys in. They won't book any of our guys. They won't even let us in to use the bathroom, nothing. Nothing.
This is the. I think this is where.
This is it.
This is as bad as it can get.
Like, we can't principal someone's crime, man.
This is as bad as it's.
It's pretty bad, dude. Because
This is really
that
bad.
deputy was saying, "I'm about to arrest you for obstruction."
Yeah.
To me,
Yeah.
because this guy's got a call, but then my sergeant's telling me not to move.
Right. I have this.
And then when I started backing up, he told me to stop again.
What about arrested all of them for not doing their job?
Right. Okay.
This is
Crazy.
embarrassing.
Yeah.
I really wish this is not my car right there, dude. I'm gonna leave the keys in there, dude. I really not wanting to be a part of to get charged with a crime, dude, for a stand, dude. I'm telling you right now, bro.
I'm transporting.
Possession Schedule 2, obstruction, and drug-related objects.
so far, it's all fellas. All right. Get in your cars before you people outside the fence.
Get in your car, pull your prisoner out the fence.
Let her go home. Write me a damn court date and let me go to court.
All CPD prisoners at the jail, just leave me out there on in between the street, between the building, the SO and the CPD. We'll have our meeting there.
Let's have a seat. Watch your head, okay?
This is sad, man. They doing this shit.
Watch your legs, okay?
He threatened to arrest me and Fairbanks for obstruction, and in Lockhart, and also said he was going to ram the car. So I mean,
He's going to pass right by us if he ever sees us getting our ass beat on the street.
Rock bottom.
Stop recording.